Hi there, this is Tom Flynn from the Spatial Heritage Review, back with another video about optimizing a 3D asset for the web. In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that I came across recently called Needle Tools, or Needle Cloud specifically. Needle Cloud is a commercial cloud-based platform. You can upload your 3D assets and they will be automatically optimized, as the marketing material says, for different workflows for the web. So without further ado, here's what you see when you're logged in to the platform. I should say that the team at Needle Tools have given me a free subscription so that I could make this video and try out their tools. So I have my 1 million face 8K textured 3D model that I want to reduce in size. Drag and drop it onto the web page, and then you'll get a preview in the viewer, and then you can just click upload. Okay, once the asset has uploaded, you'll be moved along to this screen, and it will begin processing in the cloud for you. If I spin that down, you can see that the upload is still underway. I'm assuming that's finished actually, and it's being converted. My OBJ is being converted to a GLB as part of the pre-processing. This process will run for a little while, so we'll skip forward to the final results. So here we are with a version of the file having been converted. The actual conversion probably only took about 5 or 10 minutes. And so we have our original version, converted GLB, an optimized GLB, a progressive product, and a progressive world. So what's interesting about Needle Tools is what it kind of gives you as an output. So let's view, for example, we're already viewing it, the progressive world file. It's difficult probably to tell, but what we're seeing in the viewer is as I zoom in and out, different versions of the file are being loaded, higher resolution and lower resolution. In fact, what maybe I can do is I'm going to open a debug view. Okay, so what I've done is I've just loaded the optimized asset here, and so you can see that the base asset size is 4 megabytes, and then the level of detail asset is 11.9. So maybe it's difficult to see, but if I zoom in, and I've got the debug feature, or I should have, so I can switch to the wireframe, and I can also hit P to switch between the two versions. Maybe it's easier to see the textured version. So you should be able to see that this is the base asset, 4 megabytes, but what Needle Tools is doing is progressively loading, and this would also be automatic when you're using the viewer outside debug mode to load an asset quickly, and then as people zoom in and start looking at different aspects of the file, it will load the higher resolution version. So to go back to the converted files, again, we can download the files, we can copy links to share with people, open in the 3D viewer, but we can also get various embed codes. And this is one thing I like, aside from the very clever level of detail on demand that Needle Tools offers, is the different embed codes. So we've got an iframe embed, an embed code for using Needle Engine tools, embed code for using Google's model viewer, React 3 Fiber, 3JS, just so. So many different, and this is all automatically generated, different sets of code that you can then use in your own project. So aside from getting a nice bunch of optimized files, so we went from 140-ish megabytes to essentially 4, or depending on which version you download, 10, 11 megabytes. So very easy to use, just drag and drop, and then lots of interesting options. I'm looking forward to looking into a bit more of what you can do with Needle Cloud and Needle Tools, because this has been a very nice simple experience.